Hello artists, here is a skill builder for your sketchbook that using pencil crayons, a couple of scales to help you develop some skills. So we're going to do a value scale of dark to light with a color and then a 3-color transition. So you're going to start off by getting yourself a ruler. You're going to do 2 long boxes. I'm doing 1-inch sections there to 8 inches, and then a long box there left open so you can transition the colors. So you don't have to use blue. I use blue. You can use any color that you want, but you're basically just showing dark to light of that color and showing a smooth transition from each one. So you want each box to be different. Here I'm slowing down my sped up version so you can kind of see me working in real time there. And just slowly taking your time to make sure that it's a little bit lighter than the box before. And also you want to get a nice smooth, you don't want it to be scratchy, and you don't want to really see pencil lines. You want to get a nice smooth sort of feel of the pencil crayon. You kind of learn the right weight that that you press, and it really is about like layering and adding color over top of itself and not always just doing it exactly how you want it the first time. So thinking about the color wheel and which colors are going to mix and blend, I chose to do red to orange to yellow here, but you can choose to do purple to blue to green, or you can choose to do orange to red to purple. Whichever you would like. You're just going to do 3 colors that are near each other on the color wheel, so I'd recommend to Google a color wheel. So you can see here I've got about 5 or 6 of the different pencil crayons. I've got a couple different reds, couple different oranges, and a couple different of the yellows, because there's a darker red, there's a lighter red, there's a darker orange, a more yellow orange. So figure out what you have and what you have to work with of your pencil crayons, and you're basically just layering and mixing those colors. You can see it's not all getting done on the first time as I go over it. I'm switching back and forth to the pencil crayons and going back and forth. So I'm going to do some yellow, I'll go back and layer some orange over top. The idea is that you want to get a transition from one color to the other. This is really good for practicing mixing your pencil crayons. It's really good for understanding which colors are going to mix and blend together. And so here again, I did a little bit of real-time version so you can see sort of the time it actually takes to do it. I've gone back to my sped-up version here for you guys. And basically, yeah, you're just reworking it. It becomes nice and dark in the end, but your first layers are nice and light. And it's just really about building up that color and layering that color. And it's really good practice to apply these skills to your artwork. And then just layering here, labeling here in the end, 3-color transition, and then a value scale, dark value to a light value.